How to contact support in Archero 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Archero 2 and wondering how to contact customer support, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the Archero 2 game on your device and sign in. Once you're inside the lobby page, click on the menu icon at the top left corner, and in the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you do that, from the settings page, click support, and on the next page, select your account issue that you need help with. If you want to contact the customer support, then tap on contact us, and on the next page, select the category of your issue from the drop down and describe your problem in the text box like you are writing an email. Just go ahead and write it down. Make sure to be as descriptive as possible. You may also go ahead and enter your user ID or your player ID of any issue if applicable. After you are done typing in your description, you can also go ahead and enter your email at the bottom of the screen so that the support team can get in touch with you, and now click submit. Finally, after doing so, you will be able to contact the support team for Archero 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.